Anyconn. Covering an area of over 6,500 square meters, Dongguan Anyconn Technology Limited is located in number 200, Changzhou Hsinchu Road, Chang'an Town, Dongguan City, with a total investment of over 30 million yuan. After the development in the past 12 years, Anyconn has become a modern high-tech enterprise, which provides customers with quality connectors, cable harnesses, and electronic hardware components, and integrates R&D of plastic components, mold design, and product manufacturing and sales. Anyconn has always stuck to the profession, automation, green, environmental-friendly development road. Anyconn has progressive precision mold design and development capacity and top-ranking production equipment. The hardware press workshop has 12 high-speed precision punching machines produced in Japan and Taiwan. The injection molding workshop has 16 high-speed precision power-driven injection molding machines, which made in Japan and Taiwan. There are 82 automatic lathes, 2 automatic continuous electroplating production lines, 3 barrel plating production lines, over 210 connector plastic molds, over 180 precision hardware terminal molds, and over 60 automatic assembly machines. The laboratory has over 20 sets of precision inspection equipment such as Japanese Seiko Rose testers, South Korean Pioneer coating thickness testers, full automatic insertion and extraction force testers, 2.5D measuring instruments, programmable constant temperature and constant humidity testers, programmable Vickers hardness testers, plastic water content testers, structural section analyzers, salt spray testers, and reflow soldering inspection equipment. The enterprise has systematic manufacturing capacity integrating product design, material analysis and application, mold design and manufacturing, high-speed hardware pressing, professional electroplating, precision plastic injection molding and formation, and automatic assembly and inspection. The enterprise provides all-round excellent services to customers. 5% of the annual revenue of Anyconn is used to carry out technical research and development and train R&D technicians. Every year, the enterprise applies for 6 patents and strives to build its self-owned brand Anyconn. Anyconn insists on the scientific management method of putting people first, controls manufacturing process, techniques and links in terms of product design, mold manufacturing, the quality inspection for the incoming material, manufacturing process inspection, and finished product inspection, and keeps improving. Anyconn always manufactures products by professional and high-quality production techniques and wins support and trust from domestic and overseas customers. Anyconn adheres to the customer-centric management idea, fosters skilled product R&D teams, high-quality management teams, and outstanding employees, provides excellent products and technical services for customers, and enables the products of Anyconn to win the market recognition constantly. The R&D and production of Anyconn are comprehensively carried out according to international advanced quality and environmental protection standards. Up to now, Anyconn has obtained the certifications of the TS16949 Quality Management System in the vehicle-mounted industry, the ISO 14001 2015 Environmental Management System, and the ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System, and won honorary certificates as a AAA enterprise in terms of quality, service, and integrity, and an international well-known brand. All the products meet the EU RoHS environmental protection requirements. Anyconn provides supporting services of technical R&D and manufacturing for international famous brand enterprises. At present, the products manufactured in large quantity are classified into over 300 series of 5,000 categories of 50,000 specifications. Anyconn annually develops over 500 kinds of products, which mainly include board-to-board connectors, wire-to-board connectors, amphenol connectors, and electronic cable harnesses. The products are widely used in many fields, such as various consumer electronic appliances, automotive electronic products, electronic communications, industrial and power control, medical instruments, and LCD, LED, photoelectricity. Anyconn has export and import rights. The products are exported to over 10 countries and regions such as Japan, Taiwan, South Korea, the US, and Europe. The total annual volume of sales increases by 20% every year. Anyconn provides excellent connection services for customers. The main customers are Huawei, BYD, Magna, TCL, Assman, Amphenol, Foxconn, and other well-known enterprises. Anyconn people contribute to the great achievements of Anyconn, and the development of Anyconn depends on contributions and efforts of all employees of Anyconn. The enterprise always adheres to the principle of putting people first, gives priority to the living environment optimization and working skill training since they are engaged, provides annual systematic training for employees, and organizes outward-bound study and tours. All workshops and dormitories have 24 Honor hot water supply and are equipped with study and entertainment facilities like a library. Only by forging ahead with determination can we keep surpassing the past achievements. Anyconn people will manufacture more precision and more quality connection products with a better status, a more careful attitude, and richer experience. Anyconn people will work together to create a brilliant future. Anyconn enables customers to realize simpler connections.